Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a pretty unique case. I saw it on Amazon, had good reviews, but it's going to fit the S21 Ultra a little differently than the normal cases that are made for it, okay? Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. This is the PERRKLD compatible with Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra case, soft TPU, slim, clear, transparent back, cameras protected, shockproof. This is the smoke color here, right here. Okay, here's some pictures. So you got that square corner, and the phone fits inside of that. So it's interesting to see how that looks and how that works. All right, hopefully it fits snug. Soft TPU, different colors right there. You can get it well. All right. Now, this is for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, wireless charging support there. This is $9.99 on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's get the case out of the wrapper. Pretty simple wrapper, pretty plain. Not much on there that's interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up. Got a little foam in there. Now, the TPU feels pretty good. And I like that it's got that kind of jelly feel, so it's going to be sticky. And it actually feels pretty good. You got your buttons right there, power button, and your volume down rocker right there. You got your charging port, which is for your mic, and your speaker right there. Clean on this side. You got your openings for your mics right there. Camera area is raised. That's good. It's gonna be protected. And I don't really see any branding or anything on this. You got a lanyard opening right there. So other than that, it's pretty clean. Okay, and I like that. All right, now let's go ahead and get the S21 Ultra and put it inside and see how it works. Okay, here's the S21 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case and see how this fits. All right, hopefully it fits nice. So it's got a nice tight fit, a snug fit, not the tightest, but it's snug. Now, good grip because this is a sticky case. All right, it's jelly, and I like the way it looks. It gives that square look to the S21 Ultra. That's kind of got a rounded look already. As you can see how it sits in there. And it's not too bad. Now you got a lip around the front, so the glass will be protected there. You can see that. And you got the camera protected right there, so no problem there. And I like that smoke look, that nice black look. And this gives a good jelly feel, nice feel, feels good in the hand, everything, all right? And you can even might even be able to stand this up. It's so flat if you're on the right kind of surface. Now it does stand that way. That's pretty cool. But and you might be able to watch a movie depending on what your angle is right there, okay? But nice case, all right? Here's a good look at it again, and it feels good in the hand, all right? Everything lines up on the bottom. You see that right there? Got enough room for the mic and the charging port, and your speaker right there. Your mic holds up top, line up. Power button works, no problem. So this is a decent case, all right? I like it, all right? $10, you can't beat that. Nice jelly case, all right? That's good sticky feel. Now let's go ahead and get the wireless charger and see how that works, all right? Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so it picked up no problem in the flat position right there. Let's sit this up and see what happens when we stand it up. Okay, so it picked up wireless charge right there as well. All right, let's lay it down and see what happens then, all right? So wireless charge picked up right there as well. Okay, so wireless charge works pretty good with the case, no problem. I didn't think we'd have a problem there. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The case is made by PERRKLD. I think it's a pretty good case. I like the silicone, the soft feel, but the nice grippy feel that it has right there. It might get a little smudgy over time, but it's dark enough that it won't be too obvious. So I recommend this case, all right, for the price and the way it fits and the way it looks and feel, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.